What's good, booze? It's Sheen Boo, and you already know. You know who it is. I'm not gonna make any excuses for where I've been, but let's hop back to it, okay? We need to do some more luxury apartment shopping. Right now, we are in Hollywood Park, and we're gonna look at some studios and some one bedrooms because that's what's in the budget, okay? Studios and one bedroom. So let's get started. I just finished my workout, so you know I got on my OG Nike headband that doesn't have the white anymore. I got my hair done, y'all, and I got on my Nike pouch, Nike pants, Nike sports bra, Nike socks, and Nike shoes because y'all know I'm a Nike girl. And one day, my dream collaboration. Remember this? It's Nike. Y'all should know this, right? So I'm feeling good. I did 6 miles today on Manhattan Beach. I love Manhattan Beach. I go to LA Fitness, but I love Manhattan Beach. So I did a combination of walking and running. That's what I do. I haven't built up to run the whole way. So yeah, we're doing our walking and our running. In little kangaroo pouch. It's not so much kangaroo anymore. I am down a total of 24 pounds. Last time we talked, I think I told y'all 17. It's 24 now, so let's get going. It's just you and a couple of guests, just come and use it. That's, you know, as long as they're escorted with you. Oh my God, it's beautiful. I don't want to leave. I want to move in. I want to move in now. I know. It's resort life. Literally resort life. Oh, look at the jacuzzi. Oh, we have a grill area. It's getting better. It's getting better.
4 of them.
There's 4 grills. Oh my God.
And this
my birthday's coming up too.
Right. So if you want to reserve for a birthday party, there's seating for. Exactly. This is your private screening room. So we're kind of working out the programming in here, whether we want to be like, we'll show movies during the week and, you know, people can just drop in and see the movie. And so
You're messing up my flow. Okay, here we go.
in the kitchen, it's all soft close cabinetry. The trash is already pre-organized for you. Smart oven, you know, good size refrigerator. Your laundry is here. Washer dryer. Washer dryer.
Perfect.
Built-in storage. Tall built-in storage, and also built-in storage in the bathroom as well. So, and a nice deep soaking tub. So
my
if you're
favorite.
a person that loves a tub,
I do.
that's the one for you. And again, you know, the more built-in storage is like.
Yeah, I'm a product junkie.
Yeah.
I need storage. This is very spacious.
It is very spacious, and speaking of storage, only for this particular layout, I can gift you a storage container in our garage.
Oh, okay.
So if that's something, you know, you need, no problem. You know, I can add that for you.
Oh, the closet is a decent size too.
Yeah.
Nice balcony.
You have your patio space.
Now, what are the restrictions on the balcony? Can I put like furniture back here? Other than that, I don't, you know what I mean?
Yes, I know that. I know that about him.
Oh yeah, you see them. You see them. I forgot you met him.
I know
Yeah.
that about him. He's like, let me climb to the top.
Okay, so this is like the room part, I guess, there, because the closet is there. This is plenty of space to be a studio, honestly.
Yeah.
This is very, very spacious.
Yeah, it's very, and you can put a table here. You can have.
Okay. Oh wow, I like this layout.
Right, so this is where your dining table will go, or your counter seating, with, you know, with your stools or chairs. Really spacious. And then bedroom has 2 closets, so make sure you take a look at all that space too.
That is huge.
Yeah, the patios are really large.
I'll just eat back there. Put a whole table back there.
I know, right? Exactly.
I don't want to walk on the carpet. It's so clean. Yeah, this is big too. Okay, you said 2 closets. Wow. Wow, I like it. Oh my God, this bathroom is huge. It's huge. Oh Lordy, this is nice. Is there? Oh, there's a little towel rack back here. Come on, camera, stay in focus. Work with me. Yeah, the deep soak tub is my favorite.
Right,
I love it.
In the 1 bedroom, you do get an extra storage closet as well. That's nice and.
This is way more storage. Oh, yeah, because I could just give this whole closet to the baby, and then I'll still have the other 2.
Yeah.
This is huge. Wow. And then,
And
the
then
washer.
laundry. Yeah.
Is this full size? Oh, it is. It is full size. Usually the stackables are kind of small. These are both full size. Okay. Nice.
Magical ride.
Okay. First of all, it's the floor to ceiling windows for me. That's an eye catcher as soon as you walk in. So this is a studio as well, huh? And what's the price point for this one?
So this one is, let me pop onto our site.
Oh, look at the view.
Oh,
Got a nice view of the pool.
Yeah, no, wait till you get around the corner here. Oh, let me turn on the lights for you.
Okay. How is this a studio? Look at this big old closet.
Yeah, wait, there's more.
That could be the baby's bedroom. Oh my God.
It's everything.
Yeah, this, I need this. Mm-hmm.
It's everything. And this is best rate at $27.17.
Oh, wow.
So.
This is very spacious, and I like the layout because it's separate.
Because it's separate, that's right.
Oh,
it's really special, and look at the size of the patio, is amazing.
Let them go out there. This is spacious as well.
Oh, and you know what's nice too? I think you'll like this. The washer dryer is here, behind the, you know, tucked into the bathroom.
Oh, that's
I love that.
perfect.
It's like a really nice use of space.
Y'all, look at this balcony though. Are you kidding me? This balcony, like the whole, and then the pool's right there. Like, this is like the spot. I've never seen such a huge studio in my life. Like, this is so cute, y'all. I already showed y'all that big old closet. You just come back into the kitchen. Like, the layout is impeccable. And no, I'm not giving y'all the location. We are queen and king of the season, and that is like Black culture. Like, if you come to a Black person's house and they don't have
It's big and devoted to barbecue.
Oh yeah.
So we have, you know, it's just, we love food.
Dishwasher.
All the spices.
Did all of them have a dishwasher? I didn't even notice.
Of course,
Okay.
Of course,
We got a dishwasher here.
Yeah.
I was so excited about the other features. I didn't even notice. All right, y'all. So I did my part. Now we wait on God, okay? It says future resident parking. I am manifesting that, okay? I'm praying and I am believing. I did my part. I was talking to the lady. I did my little spiel about my income and stuff. So realistically, I don't necessarily meet all of the qualifications, like the 3 times the rent. However, I believe LA just lifted the 3 times the rent, so I'm gonna look into that as well. But as you can see, all those apartments were beautiful. Guess which one was my favorite? I'm pretty sure that you can tell. The AC is always so loud. I'm pretty sure you can tell which one is my favorite. But guess which one is my favorite? Either 1, 2, or 3. And tell me which one is your favorite. And I want y'all to tell me, can y'all guess the rent? Guess the rent prices of 1, 2, and 3. That is going to be it for today. I am going to go look at more apartments. You know what? Let me not say that's going to be it for today. That may be it. All right, boos. If it's not the end, I'll see you in a minute.
4 hours. There's a grill area, tables, day beds, fire pit right in the corner. Nice little butterfly. Yeah, like I said, it's open 24/7 right now. This one is about 600 square feet, close to it.
Oh, it's nice. Oh, this is really nice. Oh, it's okay, I just adore it. Okay. I don't really like that view, but the apartment is nice.
We have a couple other units. So once we find out,
Mm-hmm.
There we go.
This is cool. Got that little storage too.
Yeah, it's got like 3 rooms in there.
Yeah, I'm a product junkie. I got it. I'm a natural girl, so I got all a bunch of hair. Got yeah, makeup and natural hair. Oh, got a little ice maker thingy. Okay, that's a lot of cabinet storage too. Got a dishwasher. Move your hand, sweetheart. Move your hand. Ooh, this is make for easy cleanup. Okay, this is true that. Okay, the washer and dryer is in the bathroom. I like that.
This one's about $100 more, so it's going for $25.95.
Oh, I like the layout better because it's separate.
Yeah.
That, I mean, I know that's like the dining room type thing, but oh, this is perfect. You got a closet. Because it's, and this is still considered a 1?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's basically like 2, depending on how you set it up.
Exactly, yeah.
Only for $100 more? That's not bad at all.
Yeah, they've been kind of playing around with the pricing, but I'd say it's really decent compared to other places.
Yeah, because that could basically be a whole other room, or I could put part of that in his room. Because I could put a dining table and everything in here.
Yeah.
Because you basically getting a 2-bedroom.
Right.
Because you got a whole closet in there.
Yeah, it's like a mini home.
Yeah, I like this much better. The view's better too.
Yeah, it's like more residential.
Yeah. The other one looked lightweight prison. The view.
Yeah, this one I definitely like this side. I mean, I'm sure this one.
Yeah, and I know. Oh, you're right.
This would be the gym, which is also 24 hours.
Nice. Equipment, of course. Oh, come on, Stairmaster.
Right.
All these apartments been included Stairmasters. Now, this is probably one of the best gyms I've seen, though. Yeah, I don't need a membership. If I'm here, I'm good. This is a really nice gym. Oh my God. I seen it when I was walking by, but I only saw like the corner. David, Darren David, get down. Darren David, get your butt down.
Section here, and then the water is heated all year round.
Girl, I would just come up here and work.
Yeah. And then Wi-Fi up here.
Okay. Oh, this is cute. Yes, I need an in-unit washer and dryer. I go to the gym, so I gotta wash a lot.
I know. You know what? After you started going to the gym more, I'm noticing that I have to wash so much more.
Yep.
And then I have a kid, so.
That's always.
Really wash.
So this is the closet.
It's the end of the weekend, but I still wanna turn up. Yeah, I still wanna turn up.
$6.99.
Oh, you got a good deal.
I got a really good deal. That's why I haven't removed it. So I'm like, okay, it's only $30, but now you guys know where it goes.
Yeah,
it's open 24 hours. It is a small gym. We are expanding our gym downstairs. So you know where the offices are? There's like a little clear section on the front of the building. That's going to be our new gym. This will be a workspace. So it's currently under construction. Well, not under construction.
And I'm like, ooh, I ain't been this dark since I went to Mexico. If it is it, like, comment, and subscribe. Keep up with Shine Like Sheen all the time. Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, all of that. Shine Like Sheen is where you can find me at. Hey, all right.